Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic: how LinkedIn managed 1 million likes per second on a live video. It's a really interesting case study, and we will learn how the engineers solved this problem. So let's start. So the problem statement is you are watching a video on LinkedIn, and while you are watching a video, you can also see the real-time likes which people are doing, and also you can see the real-time comments which people are posting on that video. And how did LinkedIn manage to do it? Let's see the software design and what problems they faced and what we can learn. We have two users. For example, this is user 1 and this is user 2. And how the system interacts is we have a backend server, and we have a real-time delivery server, or you can say a real-time delivery system. Real-time delivery system. Now, when, for example, this person, the user, let's name this user. This is user 1, and this is user 2. Now, user 1 is watching a video, and he presses the likes button. As he presses the likes button, this is sent to the backend server. This like is then sent to the backend server, and this backend server then sends this like to the delivery system. Now this like arrives here. Now with this delivery system, the user 2 is connected with this delivery system, but this connection is a stateful connection, right? Is stateful connection. You can say a stateful connection, a persistent connection, both are the same. So this stateful connection is established between user 2 and the real-time delivery server or the real-time delivery system. Now, as the real-time delivery system receives any likes or comment, it then sends to that users or that group of users, and all those then users are notified with the like or with the comment. Now we will see what is this real-time delivery system, because this real-time delivery system is the backbone of all the likes, all the 1 million likes that LinkedIn handles. And also we will see what type of stateful connection is this and how this is helping the overall system. So the stateful connection between the client and the server is established using long pooling with server-side events. Now let's see how this connection is established and what is the benefit of this connection. So when client wants to establish this connection, the client will send a special request to the server, and that request will be a GET request, for example, to the endpoint connect, and it will be an HTTP 1.1 request. And in the accept header, the client will send text / event stream. So the client will send this GET request to the server, and the server will then respond to the client saying okay, HTTP okay, and he will say content type will be text / event stream. Now this connection is now established, and it is a stateful connection. So this connection is now open. For example, this has opened. A server can send a response with the same connection. For example, a data, this will be a data, and this is like data. The server can send another response which will be another data, for example, and this time it's a comment in a JSON format. Another server can send another response with it's another like, right? Now with this connection, the server can send subsequent requests in the same connection, and this is really efficient because here connection is not closing after every transaction. Instead, the connection is there and server is sending some events to the client, and when the server is finished and when the server wants to disable the connection, wants to close the connection, he can then close the connection at any time. So this stateful connection actually helps in getting the responses from the server in a very efficient manner. So now here we can say that this connection is a server-side long polling server-side event connection, and this is a stateful connection. This stateful connection helps in sending a continuous response to the client. Now at the client side can use libraries such as this to handle the event sent by the server. This is for the web application, and there are libraries for the Android and the iOS application to handle the responses sent from the server.